वेलकम बैक टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं इम्प्लीमेंट द यूजर एक्सपीरियंस फॉर योर एपशीट ऐप। दिस लैब is from Arcade Basecamp January. So first you will click Start Lab and then we will open it in incognito window. Click Google. Now in the email section, copy this and paste this here. Next for password, copy this and paste it here. Click Next. Click I understand. Click Continue. Click Allow and remove this. And your app sheet is here. Make sure there is no app here. Now, on to the task one. We have to create an app by copying it. So, first we will do this and click on open link in incognito window. By this, customer contacts lab 2. It's an app which will open up. Now, you have to copy this. Now, here for the app name, you have to enter this. So, copy it. Now, paste this. Now, click copy app. After this, your app is copied. So, close this. Come back here and reload this website and your app is here. Now next, click check my progress for the task 1. After it is completed, you will move on to the task 2. Now click on switch to legacy editor. हम पहले इस पे क्लिक करेंगे. Click switch to legacy editor. Now next, हमें UX में जाकर views में जाना है. Click UX, then views. Then under primary views, we have to select contacts. And then we have to select the view type to card. It is already selected to card. Now Now we have to make sure here that it is sorted by first name in the ascending. Next, for the title goes here, it should show first name. And for this subtitle goes here, it should show phone. Go to data, tables, click contacts, click view source. Now this spreadsheet will open up. Click got it. अब हमें यहाँ पे फोटो पेस्ट करना है, यानी कि ये. तो कॉपी दिस केयरफुली. इसे H कॉलम में हमें पेस्ट करना है. ये H कॉलम में पेस्ट दिस. इसको हम सेम साइज में लेके आएंगे. जैसे ये सब 10 साइज में है, ये 12 में है, तो हम इसे 10 पे लेके आएंगे. और नेक्स्ट ये सेव हो चुका है, तो इधर हम वापस आएंगे. हमें डेटा में जाने के बाद अब कॉलम्स पे जाना है. क्लिक कॉन्टैक्ट्स. नाउ क्लिक regenerate structure and regenerate. Now reload this website and the photo is here. Next, open this in incognito window. Click got it. Now select this. Now use shift and press the down key to the last. So this is the last one. Now click Control C to copy it. Come back here and then after clicking in this box, select shift and then go down again till the end. Not to the test contact actually, only to Hammond. As you can see, this is Hammond. Only till here, till 21 or 20 actually. Now Control V. Next, this is not necessary, but I will just do it. So यहाँ पे हमारे फोटोज का सोर्स पेस्ट हो गया है, तो हम यहाँ वापस आएंगे. नेक्स्ट हमें यूएक्स पे जाना है. कॉन्टेक्ट्स, now here in the layout, click on this. From column to show, select photo. Image shape, select to circle and come back here. Now click save. After syncing the app, it will look like this. We will come back here. Now check my progress. Now in the AppSheet editor, you have to go to UX views again. You're already there, but instead of contacts, now open companies. Come back here. Change the view type to card. Select photo under the layout section. Now click on this. It is selected to business address. Now click on this. Select the business address. Come back here. Click save. Next, expand the display. And now you have to select an icon for company. So type company. Select this one. Click save. On to the task 4. You have to go to customer. Close this companies. Now go to contacts. But we don't have to do anything with them. We have to create a new view. We will come back here. Click new view. Click create a new view. Now for the view name, you have to enter this For this data, select companies. For view type, select map. For position, select menu. Now for view options, in map column, select business address. Here, select business address. Now, expand the display, type map, and select this one, only this one carefully, as you can see. Now for the display name, we have to select this, copy this from here, and paste it here. After this, just click save, and it is saved. On to the task 5, navigate to data, tables, and then click a new table. Now for the source, you have to select Google Sheets, select Shift to, then click Add Table, add one table actually. Now next, go to columns, click Shift to, now click Shift to, click View Columns, now come here, select this and set the type to ref. For the source table, select companies, click done. Now come back here, click this. For type, use enum, and for values, click add, then you have to type new, cancel, and hold. Click done and save. Now here, click add virtual column, copy this expression, enter it here, and click save. For column name, type this, click done. Now click save. Now come to UX, views, Now click New View and then add histogram view for ship to data. Copy this, paste it here. For view type, select form and position to next. It is already there. Under the view options, for form style, select side by side, and for finish view, select shape to detail. Here, select shape to detail. Next, for icon type shape, click display, type shape, use this. Now save. Now, for product name, we will enter this. Quantity will be 2. Status will be new. Selected. Now from company, you can select any. I will select symbol health. Click save. Now it is here. Now check your progress. Next, you can do these things for your learning purposes. Congratulations, the lab is complete. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Also join our WhatsApp channel to stay updated. The link is in description.